even fashion. When you Thomas Johnny, you need a frag in the question and bonnet and scale, Cluichí, ríomhaire, leis na blianta. Thomas a fragger, cast ever heen, go cast ever back. So we're completing number 1 to number 4. So, cast ever heen, cad aid na Cluichí a Jimmer Mago agus Dadjo nar fi siad oak. So what games did Granny and Grandad play when they were young? So, the verb in the sentence, Jimmer. That's what we're going to start our fragger with. So the Breeder Sakesh, Jimmer, we're going Jimmer. And what games did they play whenever they were young? So we look in this first paragraph. So it's the Céad Alt. Feimid an fragger don ceissin sa Céad Alt. So Caddy na Cluichí Jimmer Mago agus Dadjo nar fi siad oak. So it might be Jimmer Siad and the game they played, because Mago and Dadjo, so instead of Mago agus Dadjo they might have Siad, so they played. We're looking for that answer, it's a Céad Alt. And then ever a dog. Cahan a Hannig and Cluichí Paul a Mac. So when did the game Paul come out? So the verb in this sentence, or in this question this time, so the Breeder Sakesh Hannig. So Talmud ag fragger and Kesht the Breeder Hannig. So it's going to be Hannig and Cluichí Paul a Mac. Agus Cain Tam a Hannig and Cluichí Paul a Mac. So Cluichí Paul and Céad Cluichí ríomhaire a Hort a Mac. Agus Tan fragger den ceissin sa Dara Alt. So Paul and Céad Cluichí, so it would be Hannig and Cluichí Paul Mac, Sna, and then year that it came out. And then Everett 3. Cén Ach Jimmer Dadji agus Mami Cluichí ríomhaire. So Arish is Ceis and Breeder Cas Ceis So Talmud a cousin and fragger the Breeder Jimmer. Okay. So the question asks us, what place did Mum and Dad play their computer games? Cén Ach and a Jimmer Mami agus Daddy the Cluichí ríomhaire. So we're looking for Jimmer Dadji agus Mami, or it could be Jimmer Siad Cluichí ríomhaire, San, and the place that they bought it. So we're looking San Alt Seo, from Fragger ever at 3. So Fragger don ceist ever 3. Sa Bosco Bui. Agus ever a cahar. Cara harda sa Cluichí Pacha. So what happened in the Pac-Man game? So we have to describe what happened. So our sentence start with fee. So fee something Pac-Man. August G Shay. So Tamaji Lord done Keshan. So Tam Fragershin. So Bosca Ras. And Frager done Kesh over a Kahar Harless at Pac-Man.